We have been talking about essential oils in various vlogs. I also want to mention this Tao Tronics diffuser. This Tao Tronics diffuser is one of my most favorite diffusers. It is extremely easy to clean. What I mean by easy to clean is this pops off. Let me pause that. And as you can see, there are not any tiny intricate areas that make it difficult to clean. I've used other diffusers that diffuse the scent very nice, but it's very difficult to clean. And if it takes a while to clean, you're left with a mildew smell, which is not anything that you want to be diffusing through your home or office or personal space. So since we have been sharing information about the essential oils, I figured I would also share what our diffuser of choice is, which is Tao Tronics diffuser.